Hi there, and today we will learn the third combination of Ethel Brittle's challenge. We start from this position, and for the first we do reverse arm undulations, right, left, and then 3 points with chest, left, up, right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then Maya with right hip, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, Ani. 5, right arm goes to the right side, 6, left arm, and then we do waves with our hands. So from this, 5, 6, then 7 and 8, and you can add head circle. So the first 8 counts: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we go to the right side, to the right diagonal, with arms and leg. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Reverse arm undulations and body wave. And then from this position we go to the left side with body wave, side body wave from chest, 5, 6, and then again reverse arm undulations, 7, and body wave, 8, drop. So the second 8 counts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The full combination: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And with music.